Hold on, I'm getting out of my car.
Why are you getting out your car?
To get the doggy.
To get
Doggy
the
for
doggy?
Danny. Christmas dog.
Christmas dog. Let's go. Where?
Is there a dog there? Bring the video, bring the video.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Hehe.
Ah, hi doggy.
Aww, hello.
How sweet.
Looks like my first dog.
Thank you so much.
Name is Sammie.
Huh?
Sammie.
Sammie?
Hi, Sammie. Hi, Sammie. Merry Christmas.
Is
Big
he
doggy.
heavy?
Yeah, he's kind of heavy. Say bye-bye. Aww.
Bye, dog. Take care, thank you. Hey, Chris. Let me see Christmas dog. Christmas
Say hi to
dog.
Sammie.
Hello.
Hey, Sammie.
Hello.
Danny's gonna love you.
That penis.
He does have a penis.
Hey,
Come on,
dog.
penis dog.
You coming home?
I think he's gonna run away if I don't hold him.
Yeah, I can hold him.
Aw. You wanna try holding him for a minute?
Yeah.
Here, switch.
Oh, my dog. Oh,
Get a Sammie video.
God.
Aw.
Big dog.
Aw, big Sammie. Hopefully Danny doesn't chop our heads off.
Need a bath.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna need a big bath.
Aw.
You need a big
We're gonna
bath.
get some good Christmas foods when we get
This is
home.
perfect. He looks like a big
I
fat
know. I know.
lazy
Aw.
dog. Sleep all day.
Danny will love him.
Oh, he's cold. Let's get him in.
Let's get him in.
I need to open my door.
I'll be right there. I want a video with him. Hi, doggy.
He's got the same face as my other dog I used to have.
Aww.
Same face.